What is the name of this dish?
In Tamil we call it Meen Kolungurai, a type of rice that was made in the 1st century, even before the modern biryani was invented.